After searching endlessly for white wallpaper, I finally found this from an Instagram vendor called Moa Beams Interiors, and this is the pattern number in case you're interested. I'm going to put their contact information in the description box. It's white, but then it has like, focus please, I don't know if I should call it glitters. Okay, so this is what I have left. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like in my kitchen. This is what the wall looks like. I think we're having this issue right now. I don't know if you guys can see the bubbles on the wallpaper, but it's looking really nice and yay! Guys, so I just got home and the time is, this is like 3:49 p.m. so I'm just going to go ahead and unbox the pots that I got earlier on from the cargo company. I'm seeing a black candle here. Oh, she actually included a spoon. This is so nice. Thank you. I'm going to bring out the pots like one after the other so you guys can actually see. So this is like a sauce pot. The size of this pot is actually what attracted me to them. And this is an actual pot. This is so pretty. This is like the biggest of all the pots. This pot is so pretty. And then I have a pot, guys. I'm so happy that I got this pot. For this entire pot, you'll be amazed at how much I paid. They were not expensive at all, and I like the wooden detail. This is actually silicone, it's not wood. It has this like wooden design which is so pretty. Okay, so apart from the pan, everything has a lid. This is the cover for like the biggest pot, and this is the cover for like the medium one, cover for the sauce pot. This is like money well spent. I think I'm going to arrange them so you guys can see. And this is like the biggest one. These are my pots. I'm actually feeling sleepy, and you know, one mine is like, love it, just get done with the video, and the other mine is like, love it, go and get some sleep. I haven't had my bath. It's crazy. It's not easy being an influencer. Like, adulting is hard. This washing machine is by a brand called LG, and I really like LG products. Like my TV is from LG, my sound system, my microwave, most of the appliances that I have in my apartment are from LG. I initially wanted to install the washing machine in my kitchen, but decided that, you know what, I actually need a dishwasher. Guys, I hate washing plates. Like, washing plates is not my thing. I got this during the lockdown and I just left it inside the carton because I actually had plans to move out of this apartment, but the apartment that I was seriously putting my eyes on, you know, was given to another person, and I was like, since I'm going to stay here for a couple of months, I might just as well bring this out and keep this here in this bathroom right here. And this is the bathroom in my filming room, which I don't use. To look for a dishwasher, and definitely it had to be LG. So I saw the one that I wanted, guys. It was beautiful, and then I went online, got the dimensions, and went to the carpenter's place. So as you guys can see here, he was kind of like marking the stencil for the countertop, and we just kind of like were measuring out the area for the dishwasher. Place again, and we are marking the stencil countertop. And guys, I'm just so in love with this color. Like, this is so okay. So this is like where my cutlery tray will be, like my spoons, my knife. This is the second drawer, and then this is definitely going to be for my pots. So we're almost done, and then this is the other drawer. This is where the sink is going to be. The new sink I got is actually bigger than this area that was reserved for the sink. So we are going to do some adjustments. This is going to be where the dishwasher is going to be. So I was on Instagram the other day and I saw an ad, you know, like I saw an Instagram vendor that was selling like kitchenware, cookware and stuff like that. What's in here? This is really heavy. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. Wow, this is so nice. This is so heavy. So guys, this is a baking dish. Guys, the next thing which I was really excited about are this set of pans. I'm so much in love with the color. The color is so cute. So I do have two, which is perfect. You know, I can actually like stir fry my chicken here, or like stir fry my vegetables here for my friend, right? I'm so excited. They're really heavy, they're not light. So this is the bag. I'm going to put the name of her Instagram account somewhere so you guys can check that out. Wow, this cutlery tray is brand new as well. This is from August. This retailed for 5,000 naira. This was so cheap, and this is expandable, which means I can actually expand this. This is going to be perfect for my cutlery drawer. This is brand new and I like the color. It's really nice. Guys, these are granite pans and this is so nice. So now I have more items here, and these items actually got them from Spar. I have this like very cute knife. I got this pan so I can be baking like my banana bread and all of that. Guys, I love banana bread. I have been baking banana bread for the past like 4 or 5 years and it's like an obsession. So I got this pan so I can actually like bake my bread. I got this electric grinder for my pink Himalayan salt. I got this as well for my, you know, my oven baked chicken and potatoes. I got this. I got this as well. And guys, I actually got like a new like dish drainer rack. I also got this chopping board which I thought was really cute. It's like white and gray, and on this other side you have like this like teal mermaid design. It's really pretty. Wow, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. So guys, I got this measuring cups, and this is gold. This is so pretty. I got this on AliExpress and they're actually really heavy. So we have 4 measuring cups and 5 measuring spoons, and guys, this is so pretty. This is so nice. Oh guys, I'm already hungry. I'm hungry and I'm tired. I also got this very big glass bowl, you know, so if I want to like spice like a whole chicken, or maybe I want to like mix my dough for my bread and stuff like that, this is going to be perfect. So my lights just that.
What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting